Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered, where exactly do we fit in the grand scheme of the universe? Well, it's an intriguing question, isn't it? We often think of ourselves as tiny specks on a little blue planet circling an average star in an ordinary galaxy. But there's so much more to the story. Our universe is a vast expanse filled with clusters of galaxies intricately connected in a cosmic web. These galaxies, including our own Milky Way, are not randomly scattered across the cosmos. They form groups, clusters, and colossal structures known as superclusters, all interconnected in a web of cosmic filaments. Imagine galaxies strung like pearls, forming a dazzling cosmic necklace. At the heart of this cosmic web, we find our cosmic address, a place that scientists have named Laniakea, Hawaiian, for immeasurable heaven. Today, we embark on a journey to explore our cosmic address, a place called Laniakea. Imagine, if you will, a city. Now imagine a state, a country, a continent. Our universe operates on a similar scale, but with galaxies instead of cities. This brings us to the concept of Laniakea, a term from the Hawaiian language meaning immeasurable heaven. This is not just a poetic name, but an apt description of a supercluster of galaxies, a colossal cosmic structure that includes our very own Milky Way. Picture this. If our galaxy were a city, then Laniakea would be the continent it's located on. Now let's try to grasp the scale of Laniakea. It spans about 520 million light-years across. To put that in perspective, traveling at the speed of light, it would take you 520 million years to traverse it from end to end. It's home to approximately 100,000 galaxies, each one teeming with billions of stars. Imagine a cosmic web, a network of galaxies strung like pearls along filaments, with massive structures known as superclusters forming at the intersections of these filaments. Laniakea is one of these superclusters, a grand knot in the cosmic web where galaxies flow together, drawn in by the pull of gravity. Our Milky Way is somewhat of a cosmic suburbanite in this setup, residing on the outskirts of the Laniakea supercluster. But don't let that fool you. Even on the fringes, we're still very much a part of this immense cosmic structure. The discovery of Laniakea has been a boon to our understanding of the universe. It has helped us to better define the boundaries of our cosmic neighborhood and to understand the gravitational forces at play between galaxies. It's also a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. We, on our tiny planet, in our humble galaxy, are part of this colossal structure known as Laniakea. Now picture a spider web, a web that stretches across the entire universe. This is the cosmic web. You see, galaxies aren't scattered haphazardly through the cosmos. Quite the contrary, they huddle together in groups. Our home, the Milky Way, is part of such a group known as the local group. These clusters of galaxies, like little cosmic neighborhoods, are themselves part of much larger structures. Imagine a necklace with galaxies as the pearls. They're strung together by cosmic threads, forming an intricate network of galactic filaments. These filaments interconnect, weaving a colossal cosmic tapestry. At the intersections of these threads, where multiple filaments cross paths, we find the gargantuan structures known as superclusters. Just think about that for a moment. Our Milky Way, with its hundreds of billions of stars, is but a single pearl in a necklace that spans the entire universe. And our necklace, the Laniakea supercluster, with its 100,000 galaxies, is merely a single node in the vast cosmic web. However, the cosmic web is not easy to define. The universe doesn't come with pre-drawn boundary lines. To map out these colossal structures, astronomers examined the largest ever catalog of the motions of galaxies, called Cosmic Flows 2. They reasoned that each galaxy belongs to the structure whose gravity is making it flow toward. It's like a cosmic dance, with each galaxy drawn toward the gravitational pull of these superclusters. This dance of galaxies gives us a new way of defining large-scale structures, not just by their distribution in the sky, but by their motion. So here we are on the outskirts of the Laniakea supercluster, a structure so immense it's about 520 million light-years wide. A cosmic node made up of about 100,000 galaxies, with a total mass about 100 million billion times that of our Sun. Our Laniakea is just one of the nodes in this intricate cosmic web. So why does our residence in Laniakea matter? Well, understanding our place in this vast cosmic web is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It fundamentally alters how we see ourselves in the grand scheme of the universe. It's like finding out your hometown is part of a much larger country, and that country is part of a sprawling continent on a spinning globe. It gives us a sense of belonging, of being part of something much bigger than ourselves. This new perspective brings a profound sense of humility. That's because Laniakea, as immense as it is just one of countless superclusters in the universe. It's a reminder that our Milky Way, with its hundreds of billions of stars, is but a tiny speck in the grand cosmic tapestry. But here's the thing, this doesn't make us insignificant. Quite the contrary. It makes us integral parts of this cosmic web. Each galaxy, each star, each planet, and yes, each of us, contributes to the structure and the evolution of the universe. Moreover, understanding our place in Laniakea has practical implications. It helps astronomers map the universe more accurately, which in turn aids in the search for dark matter and dark energy, the mysterious entities that make up about 95% of the universe. It also gives us a clearer picture of how galaxies move and interact, and how the universe might evolve over billions of years. This knowledge could even help us predict where our galaxy might be in the distant future. Finally, it brings us closer to answering some of the biggest questions in science. How did the universe begin? How will it end? Are we alone? Laniakea, in essence, is a stepping stone in our quest for understanding. Knowing that we are part of Laniakea, part of this interconnected cosmic web, underscores our connection to the universe. So we indeed have an address in the universe, a spot in the immeasurable heaven of Laniakea. We've journeyed through the colossal structures of the universe, from the local group of galaxies we call home to the grand supercluster of Laniakea. We've seen how galaxies, rather than being randomly scattered, are strung together like pearls in a cosmic web, with superclusters forming at the intersections of these filaments. Our understanding of the universe has been reshaped by the discovery of Laniakea, whose boundaries were defined through the innovative method of examining the velocities of galaxies. We've delved into the role of the Great Attractor, a gravitational valley directing the inward flow of galaxies within Laniakea. All this exploration underscores the immensity of our universe and our place within it. Next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just on Earth, you're in Laniakea, a small part of the vast cosmic web that is our universe.